Happy Halloween! Today I'm making peanut butter apple dip. This super easy and delicious apple dip takes just 3 ingredients. Plus it's dairy free. So who could that be? Oh, it's my neighbor Jimmy. Hi Jimmy. You want to help me make some apple dip? Okay, so let's get started. Jimmy, you want to hand me the ingredients? Okay, take a large bowl and add 1 cup of peanut butter, a 1/2 cup of brown sugar, and a 1/2 cup of vanilla flavored almond milk. Thank you, Jimmy. Now stir this together until it's well combined. Serve it with your favorite apple slices. Now be sure to store this in an airtight container in the refrigerator. And here it is, peanut butter apple dip. This is great to serve at Halloween or any time. For this recipe and many more, check out my website at amylynnskitchen.com. You can also find me on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. Here, Jimmy, you want to taste this? No, just a slice. Just get a slice of. No, oh no, you don't. Happy Halloween! Oh, it's my neighbor George. No, it's Georgie. What's your name? Jimmy. Get back in there, Jimmy. Happy Halloween! Oh! You knocked my hat off almost. Dude, stop. And add 1 cup of peanut butter. You want to hand me the ingredients? Okay, no, not yet. Together until I got one. No.